to my channel. It's Kailey from Kayley's Playhouse. Today we are going to be doing a review about Kristen's color depositing conditioner, Dark Mauve. And I've been wanting to dye my hair for a really long time, but my mom and dad always said no. But we were at Target today, or yesterday, and I asked my parents if I can get this, and they said yes. And it assumes that it will dye my hair purple. It says for dark hair, purple, white hair, pink, and all that other stuff. You can buy it too at Target. Well, if you can find it. And we are going to be reviewing it today. If it turns my hair purple, if it doesn't, if it turns it way too purple. So, as you can see, it's a bottle right here. And it's Kristen Color Depositing Conditioner, Dark Mauve. And I'm just really excited today, so let's get on to it. First step, I gotta wash my hair. I'll be right back. Next step, towel dry. I gotta make sure I get all this extra water out of my hair. Now that I got all the water out of my hair, it's time to add the color depositing conditioner. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we got the stuff in my hair, and my mom just put it in there, was stuffing it around, and now we're combing it. So we're gonna be back in a little bit. We'll show you the finished product. Okay guys, so I got the conditioner in my hair, and now it's been about like 20 minutes or so, and now it's time to get in the shower. But what I recommend is to wear a glove when you're putting the conditioner in someone's hair. It's because my mom's hands got stained, unfortunately. But it's time to get in the shower and rinse this out. Okay guys, so I just got all of the conditioner on my hair. And well, it kind of stains my scalp a little bit. But I can already see the color kind of coming in. Like right there. It's just coming out the bottom. I'm super excited. We're gonna give it a quick blow dry, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so I assume that my hair is gonna turn purple. This is my hair before. It's just light brown, not much. And this is my hair after. Okay guys, so I just did a quick blow dry, cut out my hair, and overall, this was a really good product. I would recommend using this, but be careful and use gloves, because we kind of had a little incident. But out of all, this is a 10 out of 10. This is what I was looking for, not a bright color, just a little, whatever this, Dark Mauve. This is a pretty color. I like it. I can't wait to try some of the other colors. I was looking for a pink, but overall, this is a really pretty color. Okay, make sure to hit that like button down below. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe so you can see all my other videos that I'm going to be making. I can't wait to try all of these other colors. Bye!